Hi guys, I am Nitin Malik, co-founder and CEO of India Digital College. I am a renowned digital marketing consultant and digital marketing trainer. By the day, I work for different brands and startups to help them transform their digital presence. And during the night, I am a digital marketing blogger. So today I am making this video for the upcoming SEO workshop, which I am going to hold on the 20th October next month. Now, why SEO? Today, SEO is the most important element of digital marketing. You know, if you go to naukri.com or monster.com, you will find thousands of jobs only in SEO. Why so? You may ask. आप सब Google यूज करते हैं? I'm sure most of us do. If you want to buy anything, हम सब पहले Google पे जाते हैं. So as long as इंसान का दिमाग है, इंसान को सर्च करने की उसकी क्यूरोसिटी है और गूगल है, एज लॉन्ग एज ये सब चीजें हैं, एसईओ कहीं नहीं जाने वाला. इट्स गोना बी मोर इम्पोर्टेंट, मोर पावरफुल देन एवर. इन सिंपल वर्ड्स, एसईओ इज लाइक ऑक्सीजन टू एनी ऑनलाइन बिजनेस. सो अगर आपकी वेबसाइट है, आपका अपना कोई बिजनेस है जिसे आप ऑनलाइन रन करना चाह रहे हैं, या फिर आप कहीं पे जॉब करते हैं, अपने एम्प्लॉयर के लिए उनकी वेबसाइट की मार्केटिंग आप देखते हैं, इन सभी केसेस में यू नीड एसईओ. इट्स अंडरस्टूड बिकॉज इफ यू वांट टू ड्राइव टारगेटेड वेबसाइट ट्रैफिक, एसईओ से बेस्ट कुछ भी नहीं है. और इसी एसईओ की इंपॉर्टेंस को ध्यान में रखते हुए आई हैव क्रिएटेड दिस वर्कशॉप विच इज आइडियल फॉर ए बिगिनर हु डजंट नो मच अबाउट एसईओ, for a medium level SEO executive, or for an entrepreneur who has just started his online business and want to scale it up very quickly. And guys, SEO is the foundation. Without SEO, you can't go for marketing in any form, because SEO means free traffic. No money for any single click. आप SEO अच्छा करें अपनी वेबसाइट का और अपने विजिटर्स को, अपने कस्टमर्स को गूगल या बिंग के फर्स्ट पेज पे उनको नमस्ते करें. वो करने में मैं आपकी हेल्प कर सकता हूं. आप पूछेंगे कैसे, हाउ? आंसर इज वेरी सिंपल. अटेंड माय एसईओ वर्कशॉप. इट्स ए 2-day वर्कशॉप which we are going to run in Delhi. This workshop is structured in certain manner that will cover of basic SEO, medium level SEO and advanced SEO techniques and tricks to bring your website on the first page of all popular search engines. And just don't imagine that just because you are working only then SEO is good enough for you. अगर आप एक छोटे दुकानदार हैं, बिजनेसमैन हैं, इवन हाउसवाइफ हैं, राइट, आपके अपने घर से चलते हुए बिजनेस को आप बढ़ा सकते हैं ऑनलाइन गूगल पे अपने बिजनेस को लाके, उसमें SEO आपकी हेल्प करेगा. And just not because of business, if you want to earn extra money working from the comfort of your sweet home, SEO से बढ़िया कुछ नहीं है. मैं आपको बताता हूँ, मेरे 2 बेटे हैं, आदित्य और आरुष. दे आर 6-year-old twins, and I tell this to my students कि मेरा सबसे कमाऊ बेटा SEO है. Why? Because SEO से मैं घर बैठे 1 से 1.5 लाख पर मंथ में फ्रीलांसिंग करके मैं कमा रहा हूँ. And trust me, if I can do it, you can do much better than me, much better. Because जब मैंने SEO स्टार्ट किया था, तब इतनी अर्निंग, इतना एक्सपोजर नहीं था. और आज 2018 में SEO is exploding. Every small, medium और big business need visibility on Google और other popular search engines. So as you know कि SEO कितना important है आपके लिए, पर्सनली भी, प्रोफेशनली भी, एक्स्ट्रा इनकम के लिए भी अच्छा सोर्स बन सकता है. तो इस वर्कशॉप में मैं वही सभी कंसेप्ट फ्रॉम द वेरी स्क्रैच आई विल एक्सप्लेन SEO इन सर्टेन मैनर, जैसे कि मैं एक 8 साल के बच्चे को बता रहा हूँ, विदाउट यूजिंग एनी टेक्निकल जार्गन. वी विल एक्सप्लेन द SEO, ऑल डीप एडवांस SEO टेक्निक्स, टिप्स, ट्रिक्स, हाउ टू ऑप्टिमाइज योर वेबसाइट, हाउ टू ब्रिंग इट ऑन द फर्स्ट पेज ऑफ गूगल, टू ग्रीट योर कस्टमर्स देयर. यू आर गोना लर्न ऑल ऑफ दैट इन माय वर्कशॉप. नाउ यू मे आस्क why you should learn SEO from me, right? There are so many teachers around who might be claiming that they are SEO expert, and I'm not saying all of them are wrong, but why me? Why Nitin Malik? Why this workshop from Nitin Malik? See, answer is simple. Answer lies in the data. I have got 17 plus years experience into digital marketing, after which core experience of 12 years is into SEO alone. I have handled global and domestic SEO projects ranging from 2000 rupees for one small project for one day to 50 lakh worth yearly budget of SEO project. I have held 20 plus workshops in past 2 years for SEO role, in which I have trained around 600 plus students through my different workshops across the globe. I have held workshops in India, in New York, in Australia and Canada also. After attending this workshop, you can start working as an SEO consultant or freelancer from the very next day and start earning decent money. I'm sure it will be a small step in your long journey of being an expert, renowned digital marketer. And I'm sure earning is also going to scale up very quickly. Now, beside the training part, what you're going to get out of this workshop? So here is a number of things that I'm going to give you after the workshop. I'm also going to teach you how to grab freelance SEO domestic as well as global projects across the world and start earning more and more money. Not just that, and at the end of the workshop, you will be giving an exam for SEMRush SEO Certification. So I will ensure that once you leave the workshop, you are a SEMRush SEO certified marketer. Besides, you are also gonna get IDC, India Digital College certification of workshop completion. Above all, after the workshop, you will also get enough study material like how to increase your website traffic in just 30 days. It's an ebook worth 4,000 rupees. You will also get another ebook which is worth 6,000 rupees that will tell you how to make your website SEO optimized fully. Now what is IDC, you may ask? India Digital College, it's a renowned digital marketing training institute based out of Delhi NCR. We have about 6,000 hours of digital marketing training, from which we have trained 1,000 plus students who are happily employed across India and globally by learning digital marketing from IDC. And I just want to tell you here, one of my UK student from UK, Chinese Joseph, he learned digital marketing online from us and then launched his own digital marketing agency in UK, that is digitalinsightsmedia.com. So you can see, why the platform of IDC and such similar SEO workshop, how we are helping people empower themselves, their career, their business, and earn better money faster in much shorter period. And moreover, you can also highlight these certifications which you will get from this SEO workshop on your LinkedIn profile, on your resume, right? Which will decorate it. I'm sure of that. And besides, after the workshop, you can be in touch with me. It's not as if that we are just associated only for 2 days. So you can stay in touch with me for any SEO related challenge you may face over the next 3 months or 6 months, and I'm sure I'm going to guide you on that also. Now, question comes to workshop, it's for 2 days. I know what you're going to say. I'm very busy, I'm facing some cash crunch, or maybe some other reason or excuse. So think for a moment, are these reasons good enough to stop you from making a leap in better future? Don't you think the investment that you will make in yourself or in your future, that is the best investment? This small amount of 9,999 rupees is gonna give you the best ROI of your life. And extra that you will earn, that will be icing on the cake. So don't delay, join our workshop which is going to run for 2 days. Snacks, tea and lunch is on the house, and lots of knowledge that will skyrocket your career or your professional profile or your business. So come and attend this workshop which is scheduled for 20th and 21st October, which falls on Saturday and Sunday. So it's a weekend, guys. Just 2 days of your life and your life can change for better. So without delay, reserve your seat now, come to the workshop and start earning from the very next day for yourself and for your family. Believe me, this is a one-time chance which you can use, leverage to make not only your life better, but your family's life better. Because more earning means more choices, more freedom, more control. And I am sure you need more control of your life, which you can get by attending this workshop. So without delay, join this workshop. And I love questions. If you have any query, feel free to reach out to me on the email ID or phone number given on this page. And I would be glad to help you. Thank you and see you in the workshop.